Hi everyone. Today we're going to do a cool 3D looking effect using layers, reference layers, alpha lock, and some blurs. As you can see, I have a design on my screen already, and it's broken up into two layers. Layer 1 is the outline layer, which I have turned into a reference layer. A reference layer lets you make a blank layer underneath of it and then drop fill it in as if you're filling it in on the top layer. You can check that out in a couple of my other videos. Layer 2 is that layer that's been filled in. If I turn off layer 1, you'll see the outline there from layer 1. On layer 2, I'm going to make a Gaussian blur. And it's going to start to blend those colors together a little bit into the other sections. I'm going to take my eraser. I'm going to erase what escaped on that outer edge. A little much there. Okay, I'm going to go to that top layer. I'm going to duplicate it. I'm going to Gaussian blur that slightly. Grab my arrow tool and slide that to the right a little bit. You can slide it any way you want. I'm going to also lower the opacity of that layer. And I'm on the wrong layer, so I'm going to switch layers, drag that down. And you can see it's already starting to pop out a little bit. Kind of look like it's separating from the colors. I'm going to duplicate that layer with the shadow, make it a little stronger, but also lighten it a little bit. Do it a little more of a blur. Now you can see I have that kind of cool 3D effect going. It's as simple as that. Now if I wanted to, I'm going to go back. Now if I didn't want the colors to blend together, I can turn on alpha lock on layer 2 where the colors are. And now I'm going to take some darker shades and put it along the edges of these colors. So I'm going to grab each color and kind of color an edge or two of each of the colors, not worrying about it being neat. And then I'm going to turn on alpha lock on this layer, which it's already on. Gaussian blur it. It's going to blur it, but keep it inside of those colors without letting it go out of any of the shapes. Then I'm going to go back to layer 1, duplicate it, put a Gaussian blur on that, pull it to the side, lighten the opacity, and get sort of the same effect, but more without blending the colors together. So there you go, cool 3D effect using a bunch of different tricks in Procreate. Hope you liked this video. Thanks for subscribing, and I'll see you next time.